Hello, welcome to Cute Julie's Kitchen. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you the recipe of how to make Scotch eggs, and all you need is 3 sausages, 2 eggs, boiled eggs, and here I have 1 raw egg, and here I have white wheat flour for coating. Also I'm going to use black pepper, and here I also have paprika. I'm going to use it as well. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to spice my sausages with a little of black pepper here. And so guys, 1 teaspoon of paprika. So I'm going to mix this well, and then we continue the video. Guys, this is the end product after I have mixed my sausages with the spices. So I'm going to use this to cover the eggs, and I'll show you the next step. So with this raw egg, I've added a little of black pepper and salt to taste. So guys, here it is. I have covered my eggs using the sausages. So I'm going to take the sausages and dip them into this raw egg, and then I'm going to use this wheat to coat with. Okay, you can use your hands when your hands are clean, and so guys, after you have dipped your egg into the raw egg, I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to coat with my flour, and that will be it guys. So all you need is you to dip them into the hot oil, and that will be it. So here it is guys. I've cooked it for 3 minutes, and it's now ready. Let me cut it and see how it is on the inside. Okay, I've cut it guys, and this is how it looks. It looks yummy, and it has a very nice smell. So guys, it's so easy to make, especially in the morning. You can use it as your breakfast. It doesn't take much of your time. It's only like 5 to 10 minutes, and it's ready. You can serve it using hot chili, tomato sauce. Yeah, and that's it guys. That was it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.